Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set or edit a billing limit on PayPal. This is really useful if you want to control how much a subscription or recurring payment can charge your account. So let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to paypal.com. Log in with your PayPal email and password if you haven't already. Once you're on your PayPal homepage, click the Activity tab at the top of the page, right next to Summary. You'll see a list of your recent payments and transactions. Find the active or recurring transaction you want to limit. You can click on any transaction to open its details. If you need help finding it, you can adjust the time frame by tapping the two date boxes in the top left corner. You can also use advanced filters on the right side of the page to narrow down your results by transaction type. Once you've found the one you want, click Details. It's right next to the service provider's name. Then click View Payment Agreement Details. This will show you all the settings related to that subscription or automatic payment. Next, scroll down until you find Bill Term, and under that section, click Edit Billing Limit. Now, enter the limit amount you'd like to set. Make sure to type it in dollars and cents. This is the maximum amount that PayPal will allow that service to charge you. When you're done, click Save to confirm your changes, and that's it. You've successfully set a billing limit for that payment agreement. From now on, PayPal will automatically block any charge that goes over your set limit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more PayPal and money management tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.